Ray. Today we're here at Kwinana Boat Ramp. We're soaking some baits, namely the mullet that we caught the net fishing on the previous episode. So hopefully we'll catch ourselves some nice, maybe a ray or maybe some gummy shark, or see what else is out here. Beautiful day, wind's not too bad, so let's get into it.
Few and far between at the moment.
Yeah, I didn't realise they got a big bloody spike on top of their head. Nearly got me. There you go, second one. I've never caught him before. It's 2 for 2. Can't beat that. Let's release him.
And off he goes.
Fantastic.
Awesome looking shark. So.
Alright guys, here we are with the fish, the shovel nose that we caught. So basically end up bleeding it out. Head, you go basically where the head comes out, you just cut up there, find the back, the back of the head, just follow it round. Obviously gut it out. Find the best portion of meat there. So when you're cutting these up, ideally you want to cut it the length of your knife where you're going to be filleting. So you don't want it any bigger than that, say, with your knife. So when you'll see. Alright, so we're going to cut it here. Now, these things are pretty bloody tough. So get yourself a plate. Alright, so again, you distance your knife, you don't want anything too big, so something like that's probably a good little size. Portions. Again, we could probably just leave that. There's not much meat on the end there. Alrighty. We'll dispose of these fins. Okay, so you want to find There's a bone, or the cartilage really, but if you run your knife, find it, run your knife straight down, right, find that, right, don't cut all the way through, as you want to find that meaty bit. One. And find your knife. It's pretty tough. Thing. Watch the cartilage. And then roll it as you go. Find the cartilage, knife down, right, feel around it, turn your knife in, just start running it, right, run it across nicely, try and get that bloodline off. Oops, missed a little bit, get that. Have a few nice little fillets, just enough for a feed for lunch. Happy days. What I like to do, soak them in milk for a little bit, anywhere up to about 2 to 24 hours. We'll be soaking this for about 6 hours. So in about 6 hours, we'll see. We're going to start preparing our batter. Now, over there I've pre-made some of the ingredients. I've got flour, about a 1 1/4 cup of flour, 1 egg, got about a tablespoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of paprika, tablespoon of salt, and we're gonna about a teaspoon of pepper, black pepper, probably ground, and this is a porter that I've made a while ago now, but yeah, you can use any beer you want, but you roughly want about a can, so I'll pour that in there like this. Might need a bit more, but we'll soon find out. We'll get into some whiskey business. And obviously you're going to need flour to coat your things, and your oil you're going to need, and I preheat my oven because I'm going to do some chips as well. I have my oil for the fish set at 170 degrees and I have my chips set at 190, so what I like to do is I like to put it in the oven and let it sit at 80 degrees, and that way it doesn't cook any further, but it helps keep it nice and crispy afterwards. Make some chips.